Hello all. Today we will learn new topic in the Python uh, that is known as operator, which is used in rigorously in our Python language. We cannot write each and every time to for the logic to this operation, but some of the operator we have defined some of the operator Python language has defined that is used for the mathematical operations and other operations. Likewise we can see here, so how many operators in the Python. So there is so many Python operators, but we can look here some of the important operator which is used day to day life. And first one is arithmetic operator, which is we will learn deeper sooner. Then assignment operator, then comparison operator, logical operator, and identity operator, that is fifth one. So let's look at the first arithmetic operator. Here is the addition which is used to add the two elements or many more elements we can use by the addition method. So here in addition we cannot write every time logic for us, so we have defined some arithmetic operators like plus sign. So how it works, let's see. And so 5 plus 6, we have that, so we got 11. So it will works same ways. We can do a subtraction by the minus sign, and multiplication uh, by asterisk sign. So 5 into 6, we will get 30. So this is the asterisk sign we define the multiplication. Then division sign, the here is divisor, dividend, divisor, and quotient. So uh, here we will get a floating quotient, but we can also integer quotient as well. So like 5 forward slash 2. So we hope we will get here 2. Here we will go get the quotient in the floating number. So we will divide some another thing. So here you hope we will get floating quotient. So meanwhile we can also do same as the modulus method. So what is the modulus? Modulus is the finding a reminder. So finding reminder, we can use here the modulus method, that is here we use percentile sign. So let's see if we have a 5 modulus 2. So hope we get here 1, just because of only one reminder is here. So if 3 modulus 2, so hope we will get here 3 reminder. Sorry, 1. Sorry, let's here 5, we will get 3. Okay, we got it. Then here is exponential. So exponential, so finding a square of 2. So how can I write here? So uh, we will not write like 2 into 2 into 2 like that. We cannot write this way. So we can also calculate by uh, like here. So how many uh, so we got same answer here. So if you want to be write down here the power, so we here we can write 2 times of asterisk, and after that you can write here the number of how many powers you want to be. So here we got the answer same way. Then assignment operator, so where we have some variables name, and I want to be define there some values. So here it is, by the equal sign we can assign any operators. And if we want to be add add something in a variable, uh, for the iteration purpose we usually do this logic. So here we can uh, here we can write in short form like plus equal to 3. So let's see what is this is x equal to 5. We have that, and we want to execute this command, and we will get 8. And we can also get by this. So let's run this first, and then after that run it, and we will get 8. So okay, I have run it 2 times, so that's why we got 11. But if I run only one times, so first run it this and then run it this, then we will get 8. So same way we can also do the uh, subtraction and multiplication as well. Then comparison operator. So what is the comparison operator? Comparing with the two variables with the sign of equality, that is 2 times. If you write equal equal, then it will compare the our variables. Then we can also compare like not equal. So we like um, punctuation or not equal. Greater than, as usual, greater sign we write it in mathematics. Less than, as usual, we write less sign in mathematics. X less than y. Greater equal, so greater than equal to. So here we can write x greater or equal to y. You cannot write like equal greater like that. It is the wrong way. So here we can also write it here, the less than and equal to. Logical operator. So logical operator, what is that? So if you have uh, two condition, and if you want to be consider it both of them, so logical operators comes here. So here if you want to be both of condition should be correct, and after that we got a resultant. So here it is a true and it is a true, then we will get true answer. Otherwise if anyone is a false, then in an operator it will give a false answer. So both conditions should be correct in this and operator. But in or operator like x less than 5 or x less than 4, any one of condition is true, it will give us to true, no, true value. But if any condition would be uh, not true, it will give us false. So here condition is depends, any one condition is correct, it will give us correct answer. But here we will get true answer, not uh, whatever the combined resultant we got like true or false, it will revert it with the not command. And then identity operator. What is identity? Means finding like x is y, means is it x uh, same as y, means uh, like calling any person by the name. So if x has name is also y, so is it true or false? So x is y. If x is not y, means if x has not any name uh, or not similar values stored in x variable, so it cannot, so it so it's not, then this operator will be true, uh, true answer to us. If it is same, both of them same, it will give a false in operator. So i- in a y there is a so many value, but we want to find it if there is any x. So likewise we compare here, x belongs in y or not. If yes, it will give true answer. If not, it will give false answer. Same wise we can also compare it here. If it is not, then it will give true answer, otherwise it will get false answer. So that's all today, the Python operator, and we will learn condition uh, topic in the next session. So that's all today. Thank you to having you.